Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add affiliate links on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. This is where you'll be able to add your affiliate link. However, there is one requirement to be able to do this. You need to have at least 1,000 followers if you're using a personal account. If you don't have 1,000 followers, you can still add an affiliate link by switching to a business account. The downside to switching to a business account is that you will be limited in the sounds you can use. You won't be able to access as many sounds as you would on a personal account. If you're using a personal account and have 1,000 followers, here is how you can add the affiliate link. As you can see, I already have a link in my profile. To add yours, tap on Edit Profile. Now scroll down to the section that says Website. This is where you can paste your affiliate link. In my case, I've added my income method link, which is a custom domain linked to an affiliate program. You can paste any product link or affiliate link here. Once you paste the link, tap the Save button at the top right-hand corner. After saving, you will see the affiliate link appear below the text you added in your bio. If you decide not to save, you can tap Cancel to go back. To summarize, you need 1,000 followers to add the link to your profile if you're using a personal account. If you don't have 1,000 followers, you can switch to a business account instead. Just keep in mind that a business account comes with limitations on the sounds you can use. That's how you can add an affiliate link to your TikTok profile. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing much faster than most people, click the link in the description to watch a free video explaining how it works. It's the fastest way for even complete beginners to start making a full-time income online. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.